Welcome to a moment where romance meets the everyday. She steps into the kitchen, wearing a shiny red raincoat, playful, elegant, and full of life. Every drop of spray sparkles in the sunlight, as if turning a simple chore into something magical. With every gentle stroke, the countertop shines brighter, but her smile, her eyes, they shine even more. And then she looks back a glance that says everything without a single word. It's romantic, it's cinematic, it's timeless. Even in the simplest of tasks, beauty reveals itself. The way the light dances on her raincoat, the way her hair moves with the breeze, every detail feels alive, every second feels like a memory. There's a spark of playfulness too, a reminder that love isn't only in serious moments, but also in laughter and fun. This isn't just cleaning, it's a story, a feeling, a memory. And sometimes the most ordinary days become the most unforgettable.